Hi, friends. As we know, we're in the middle of a big pandemic called the COVID 19, which has already involved more than 7 million people all around the world with a mortality of more than 400,000. This is a very serious situation. We in India have more than 276,000 patients who have tested positive for COVID and the mortality of around 8,000 people so far. Now, we all know what causes it. We know it's a droplet infection, and we have to adopt preventive measures like self distancing, wearing masks, wearing gloves, and not unnecessarily moving around if it's not required. So, all that is fine, but there are still some individuals or some groups of people who are more prone to have serious outcomes like mortality. And these are high blood pressure, diabetes, and persons who previously have had a cardiovascular disease. Now, these patients are not more prone to get COVID, but then if they get COVID, in that case, the situation and the morbidity and mortality becomes much higher. Today we take the case of hypertension. We have, one third of our population, adult population is hypertensive. So first of all, it's very important for them not to get COVID infection. But if they get the COVID infection, it's extremely important to continue taking all the medicines they have been prescribed, and this includes even ACE inhibitors like Ramipril, ARBs like losartan and telmisartan, they're absolutely safe, and all other medicines like calcium blockers, diuretics, beta blockers, every medicine is safe. Number two, one must know his blood pressure. So one must measure the blood pressure using self-monitoring home blood pressure measurement instruments, which are oscilloscopic recordings, and they are freely available with any chemist. Third is to do regular exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, and also to eat heart healthy frugal diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, fresh ones, plenty of fluids, and less of carbohydrates. And please do not gain too much of weight during this period. Obviously, salt restriction, not going in for chutneys and masalas should be avoided. So this is the best way of handling high blood pressure in order to have a safe outcome even if you get COVID. So today I will only talk about hypertension, and I'm sure all of you should apply this in your day-to-day life. Thank you very much.